a fight. All of them a fight. You see all them a fight. All them a fight.
I'm gonna do an oil change and a grease work on this truck. Now, I don't know. I'm gonna try to catch it from the other side. Apparently now, he's doing a thing what they call draining the oil. That's the oil pond there.
Using a quick fit.
Using a quick fit.
Oil change.
Let me see if I can go down below for you to get a better view. Yes, that is Mr. Morrison there. So all you peaks can see what's going on.
This thing kind of save you from getting a lot of mess on the floor. This is a quick fit install to avoid oil from spill and all of those things. So, you know, at least you know you don't have to use back the bunk to screw back in and then oil have a spray all about. But upon a pavement, you know, I don't have to worry about spillage of oil or nothing. So, it's just, you know, every day, you know, technology get more and more. You know, once you say you have the tool to do the work, make it more easier. And changing the oil this way, it's so easy. Make it even fair. A 12-year-old can change the oil. And all it takes is just a cap. You screw back over this. You know, I can uninstall it, make you see. Alright, is to stop it. Alright, the pan is already filled now. I'll show you how simple. Let's see, get one rag.
As you can see, it stopped flow, the heavy flow stopped. And then he's gonna uninstall it and show you guys how simple it is.
This is basically so easy to do. All it is screw and simple like that. You have no oil dripping. See with something.
And I protect me life, so me know me have to reach for me goal in a life. So all them a fight, none of me no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river. And I protect me life, so me know me have to reach for me goal in a life. So all them a fight, none of me no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river. And I protect me life, so me know me have to reach for me goal in a life. So all them a fight, none of me no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river. And I protect me life, so me know me have to reach for me goal in a life. So all them a fight, none of me.
And you know, if you want to be more safe and don't lose this from vibration, you can just use just a small pliers just to put over it and just make a little snudge, and that's it. But not quite finished as yet, but you know, basically that. Alright, we have a waste oil here now. We'll pour it in our recycle. can normally use if you have basically something can put it in a, but me just go the Canadian tire. You know, I'm gonna buy an oil pan drainer, or you can say a waste oil drainer, or whatever you call it. So basically, one of this actually full the pail. Can see, so simple. You get no spillage nowhere, nothing.
Yeah.
Alright, we are here again. We're going to do some greasing. You know, just how to save some money back in the pocket. Alright. I'm gonna start with greasing the arms and the spring. It's for the spring eye bushing. And I'm using a Lincoln electric grease gun. It time more easier and faster. Takes me like probably 25 minutes to half an hour. Get the grease on the unit. That's it. Go to the lower end, or kingpin and bushing now. As I say, it's just a little way off to save money in the pocket. Yeah. Do a kingpin then. That's it. Right, we have a front spring item now for though. Yeah. Plenty people sometimes wonder how them hoodie are so hard for draw over, so you know them little stuff, them little guide channel what you say you have here. You know, as you read the manual it tell you always get a little grease in them space here. You know, just for your hood easy for draw over and things, so you really want to much it, just get a little. Just to make sure say it's alright. You know, we'll go again as I say. I'll do with front spring eye bushing them. Seems like we're kind of run out of grease now. How do I reel with again? Try to know if we still have some. I guess we can still. So far, as me say, make the work more easier. Used to have a manual one, you know, and sometimes when you reload, you know, it kind of builds up like a year inside of it, so take a time to start. So the electrical one, it's more faster and it make the job more easier. Time like now, cold outside, so you don't really want to spend a whole heap of time, so you know, we do the job faster. Alright, to go up on the other side and say, again, good for you when you're going to do your greasing, you're good for clean and grease nipple them. Show your nipples increase, them clean. Then you're just like, you know, your crash off for your gearbox. And they really take no lot of grease, just, you know, probably 3-4 strike, just to get a crash off them, you know, lubricated. Yeah, it seems like we're out of grease now, but you know, as me say, it make the job more faster and more easier. Yes, grab a grease.